Today, I'm going to show you how to check for lead paints in your house real quick and easy. We'll be using the 3M Lead Check swabs. You can get results within 30 seconds. It's crazy and it's so good. First thing you need to do is take it out of the box and crush this area with your bare hands. I'm using 2 fingers, just crush it. Next, crush this area with 2 fingers. Now that you have both areas crushed, go ahead and give it a good shake with this swab, with this area pointing downward. I don't know if it matters or not, but in the illustration tutorial, in the manual, that's what it says. Put this area on the bottom and shake it vigorously up and down. You can see I have 3 layers of paint. 1, 2, and then 3. Go ahead and squeeze the tube while rubbing onto the area of interest. Rub for 30 seconds. Obviously, don't try to contaminate the area 1 and area 2 and area 3. Rub only one area at a time so that you don't contaminate the tube with different samples. After 30 seconds, you should see the result on the wall as well as the tube themselves. So here you can see that layer 3 is definitely lead. On the tube themselves, this is layer 3, 2, and 1. So now you can see that area 3 definitely has lead. It will turn either pink or red. Mine is a little bit of both, pinkish red. It's pretty crazy how you get the results within 30 seconds. I don't have to send it to any laboratory. I can do it just at home. Now that you found that the house has lead paints, it's not like you can panic. It's not like you can return the house back to the original seller. You can easily get something like this lead primer paint. It seems that the leading brand on the market for this is EcoBond. So on my wall, on this trim, bottom trim of the wall, I'm just going to paint it with the lead primer I showed you earlier. Whatever you do, don't even try to scrape this lead paint off because the dust can get onto you, you inhale it, and your brain would not like it at all. Your body cannot and does not like lead paints at all. Once I found out that this is lead paints, I stopped scraping immediately. We're going to buy that lead primer, paint it on to this whole trim, and then paint it white. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.